754 on 600 KCOL. Our phone number 866-888-5449. For those of you nearing middle age or slogging through it, there is a benefit in eating a Mediterranean-style diet rich in fish, nuts, veggies, and fruit. This, according to a new study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine, finds that women who followed this pattern of eating in their 50s were about 40% more likely to reach the later decades without developing chronic diseases and memory or physical problems compared to women who didn't eat as well. With more, here's health expert Dr. Walter Gaman. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Are you a believer in this?
Absolutely. It's fantastic.
So when I go home and I have my handful of cashews, that's a good thing?
That's a good thing, as long as it's a handful, not a bagful.
No, it's a handful. I take it with my prescription meds that I have.
Well, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
This diet is heavy on fish, and the fish has omega-3 oils in it. The nuts you mentioned, vegetables, fruit. What it doesn't have is red meat and carbohydrates, so those burgers and fries are definitely not on this eating program.
Now, are burger and fries okay if you're having it every once in a while and in moderation? You don't supersize it?
You know, I'd love to say yes, but there's probably nothing good in it whatsoever.
Really?
Yeah.
You mean grease is not good?
No. Clogs your arteries.
Dang
it's not good for you.
Dang it. How about Taco Tuesday at Taco John's? I love Taco Tuesday.
Probably it's better than the burger and fries.
79 cents for a crispy taco. How do you beat it?
Have you ever wondered what that meat is made out of?
I don't think about it.
I doubt it's a lean cut of meat, if you know what I mean.
You're probably right. Okay, so I got to stay away from that stuff, too. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
But there was this study in the Annals of Internal Medicine. They followed 10,000 women, and they just started eating in their 50s, and they found that these women, they had a 40% less chance of getting dementia, that they were much healthier as they aged, so that this diet, and we've known it helps the heart, but it also helps the brain. It keeps the brain spry and less chance of dementia. And Alzheimer's disease, dementia, this is going to almost bankrupt the country in the next decade. So, you know, anything that can help this is well worth it. You know, the interesting thing, we just wrote a book called Age to Perfection, How to Thrive to 100, and we interviewed a bunch of centenarians, and guess what? They all eat like this. Wow. They just didn't know it was a Mediterranean-style diet, but, you know,
That's good.
They're all eating fish and fruits and vegetables. They eat very little red meat and carbohydrates, and, you know, they are so healthy. Lucille, our favorite centenarian, she's 101 and a half. She travels the country by herself. She lives independently. She wins bridge tournaments. She's probably smarter than you and me put together. And she's eaten like this her entire life.
Amazing.
I mean, there's something to this.
Unfortunately, Dr. Gaman, we are out of time. Thank you so much. And I love fish, by the way. I really do.
Okay, great.
Thank you so much. Traffic and weather together on the 8s at 7:58. High today will be in the upper 50s to the lower 60s.
Good morning, Chad Warner, taking a look at your drive.